So today I'm going to make a burger, Eco-Cuisine speed scratch burgers. These burgers are very easy to make. All you do is add 170 grams of water and 20 grams of oil to the burger mix. So again, 170 grams of water, 100 grams of burger mix, and 20 grams of oil. Let's mix this up. It has to sit now for approximately 30 minutes. And now 30 minutes later, we have our burger mix. You can see how firm it is now once it's made up. Take that and then just flatten it out, and this will make about a 3.5 ounce burger. Drop it on the liner. Then just press the mix in. This is, again, about 3.5 ounces per scoop. Very easy to make. Put a piece of plastic wrap over it. Now envision doing this on a full sheet pan. You knock them out very easy. And this is the press. You can get different types of press. This is just an inexpensive plastic one. I push right down to that line on it because that gives me a certain thickness. You can go further if you want a thinner burger. And we have a burger. And now I'm going to take one of these burgers and lightly oil it onto the pan. Lightly oil the top. And you can make these burgers up and put them in the refrigerator and pull them as you need them, or you can freeze them and pull them as you need them. So it's a freeze-thaw burger. Now when the burger is finished, you'll know because it'll be firm. It's like regular meat. When you're working with the burger, it's really soft when it's rare or medium rare, but as it gets fully cooked, it becomes firmer. So you want this burger to be firm. Give it about 2 minutes, 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. And this burger is a very versatile burger. You can add mushrooms to it, make it a mushroom burger. You can make a southwestern burger with beans and cilantro and sun-dried tomatoes. It's very versatile. Okay, and that burger is finished, and that's how easy and how quick it is to make it. Now here are some other applications. You can take the same burger mix and scoop it off and make meatballs. This is a real simple way. You can make large meatballs or small meatballs. Very, and again, portion control. You just use a scoop. The scoop is the key. You take them with your hands and roll them if you need to a little bit at that point. But you got the size, you got the portion, and you got the form all with a simple scoop. And you can also use it to make meatloaf. Just take a meatloaf pan that's already oiled, drop it in your pan. Again, you can add onions and carrots and a variety of vegetables and seasonings to this and make it into an American-style meatloaf or any style meatloaf that you wish. So you just saw how easy it is to make a scratch burger with Eco-Cuisine's basic burger mix. But this is much more than a burger. It is a basic ground beef mix that I use as a burger, but can be used to make meatballs, meatloaf, Salisbury steak, chili, bolognese sauce, shepherd's pie, you name it. It leaves the door open for the chef to be very creative in a scratch format, in a speed scratch format, which is much simpler than the scratch format. It simplifies it. Less labor, less ingredients, less expensive. On top of that, Eco-Cuisine has an Italian sausage, breakfast sausage, chorizo sausage, and a ground chicken mix, which is used like the burger mix. All of these proteins all function in the same way. Very easy to prepare. Just add water, add oil, mix. You can use it as it is. You can get very creative. The cost on these products are about half the cost which you pay for a traditional frozen burger or refrigerated burger in the supermarket or through your food service operator. Bon appetit.